Hey everyone! If Roblox is stuttering, freezing, or your FPS keeps dropping, here are some settings that can help improve performance. Let's begin. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, close any apps using a lot of CPU, GPU, or memory that you don't need while gaming. This gives Roblox more system resources to use. Now open Windows Settings. Go to Gaming. Open Xbox Game Bar, or Game Bar on some PCs. If you don't use it, turn it off to reduce background activity. Next, open Captures. Turn off Record What Happened or any background recording option if it's enabled. Background recording can use system resources while you're playing. Now open Game Mode. Try turning it on or off, then test which setting gives you smoother gameplay, as results can vary between PCs. After that, open Windows Update and install any available updates. Keeping Windows updated can improve compatibility and performance. Finally, update your graphics driver using the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel software. Once everything is updated, restart your PC and launch Roblox again. That's all. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.